So interest rates have been climbing slowly. Would that affect the real estate market here in South Florida? Hi, I'm Carlos Martin, broker of Good People Realty. You know, we've had low inventory last year, but I've seen the inventory picked up this year. And what happened is that demand is so high that those homes are selling within that first day. Usually in those open houses, you see already a line of people. Those homes are selling a lot faster than they're not sitting on the market. So that's why you're not seeing a lot of homes, but they are coming out. So if you want something, you got to jump on it right away and be ready, because you're probably going to be on multiple offers. And to win that offer, you're going to have to be a little bit aggressive and put good terms out there to make that sale happen. So this last year, what you've seen is not normal. You've seen home values gone up 20-25%. You know, the normal market, you see home values between 3 and 5%. Now, when something goes up 20-25% because the rates are so low, that is not, it's not good for the market. It's not sustainable. What I see this year as rates go up is things stabilize more, where buyers are putting in offers, but they're not overbidding because, hey, to be honest, some buyers are already priced out of the market. They're probably qualified for a home that's $300, and now that home is worth $350, $375. They can't afford that house anymore. They got to look at other options like a condo or townhouse. So, that's what happened with prices going up so high, So I see things stabilizing more. I don't see things crashing like a lot of people might think. Those buyers are thinking the market is going to crash. I don't see that happen. There's just so much demand here for South Florida. I think things will stabilize more, and I think that's a good thing. I'd rather work in a market that's stabilized, that everybody has a shot at getting a house. The sellers are still getting good amount of money for the houses, but things stabilize more. The South Florida local market is a very hot market on areas that don't have like an HOA. My particular community doesn't have an HOA, and that's a good thing, but also it's also going to be a negative thing. You're getting a lot of Airbnb properties going in those areas, and they're paying a lot more money for those homes because, they don't have any restrictions. So you're seeing these corporations come in, buy cash, and those properties on those areas that are no HOA, you're seeing a lot of those homes rise a lot more in value than a typical property on HOA. Not in every area, but in a lot of good amount of communities. So what I see this year is still a very strong seller's market. If rates start going up, you'll start seeing a stable market. Slow down a little bit, but the demand is still very strong. There's still a lot of people coming here. There are more homes coming out. There's a lot more homes coming out, but the demand for buyers is still very strong, and I believe there's more buyers than sellers selling, and that still creates a seller's market. So, things will slow down. I think last year was just too crazy as things going up 20-25%. I don't think this year will go up that fast, but it will increase, but just at a slower pace. So if you have any more question or thinking of selling, if you just want to sit down and go over all the options, I'm here to help. And remember, real estate is better with good people.